Hello everyone. Hope this video finds you well and healthy. Today I am here to introduce myself and my new channel. Coming to myself, my name is Venkat and my channel name is KB Infotech, where I am going to record and share technical tutorials on different technologies. So this channel is going to be your knowledge partner from today. Welcome to my channel KB Infotech. Here I am going to create simple, clear and practical tutorials on Linux, shell scripting, Python programming, SQL, DevOps tools, cloud and many more technologies. Whether you are a student, a beginner in tech or a working professional looking to sharpen your skills, this channel is definitely for you. My goal is to break down the complex topics into easy to understand lessons that you can actually apply in real world scenarios and solve the problems. You can expect hands-on guides, real-time examples, and tips that can help you level up your skills and prepare for certifications or job interviews in this tech world. With all the real-time experience I have, I believe I can do better job in sharing my knowledge here, and I need all your support to do this. As everyone says, that knowledge is like an ocean and every day it's a learning process. Hope you all will like the content I'm going to share with you. So keep learning and enjoy the process of learning. Please subscribe and join me on this wonderful journey. Let's learn, build and grow together. Thank you.